Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today in this tutorial we are going to make one of the new video about the welcome message to the new user using Facebook group, and how we are going to do that with simple method. If you have a group and there are plenty of the people are coming every day or every week and you want to just say welcome to all of them, then how you will do that. I have my here professionaltutorial.com, and here we are going to come down on the right side. You will see that you have a member, and I have right now member which is 87 members, and I have already just entered like welcome screen 30 minutes before that. Warmly welcome you all the members who have recently joined the group, and the names are here. And now we have 3 more member which we are going to write. If I'm going to click on that one, write post, you will see that we get automatically that let's welcome our new members, and there are 3 members which we are going to see that. We can also add or remove any one of that, or we can make like welcome everyone, here you are for the future learner, maybe something like this one. And we can add photos or different other things as well, but the simple way, then we are going to post that one. And that is how we are going to make it very simple, and we are going to just welcome our user using that feature. And it is one of the great amazing feature if you want to engage more of your user, like I have done here. And you can see that 9 of them seen that and 1 shared that, and we have like 4 like that one. And that is how you are going to do that. I hope you learned that simple method, that how you are going to just make welcome message from Facebook group. For now, give me permission to say goodbye. If you like that video, please thumbs up, and also subscribe for more amazing upcoming videos, and share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.